Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Folaye. Today's tutorial will be on how to make this umbrella dress with a sleeveless. Can you see how beautiful it looks? So before we go onto the work table, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's go over to the work table. So we have about 2 yards of fabrics here. Now I have it folded into two equal parts like so. Then you fold it in a triangular form in this manner. Can you see the triangular form? Now the first measurement you will measure on your fabric is the quarter of your bust measurement. The bust measurement I'm making use of is 40 inches. So quarter of that is 10 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance. That is 11 inches. So you measure 11 inches right here. Make sure you have 11 inches. Like so. And then rule your straight line. Rule a straight line. From this bust line, you measure half of your armhole upward. And the half of my armhole, your round armhole, the half of the armhole I'm working with is 6.5 inches. Then I will add half inch to it, that is 7 inches, which I have right here. We also rule it as a straight line in like manner. Now from this point, we are leaving out 4 inches for the upper part. That will be for the strap, 4 inches like so. So right here I'll put my neck width, which will be 4 inches. The neck width is 4 inches. Now from that neck width, I'll curve it to the bust line to form the armhole like so. And also at this point, I'll measure the neck depth, which I'll just make use of 1.5 inches or 2 inches. It depends on how deep you want it. So I'll just curve it out in like manner. Then I'll measure the length. Do not forget the 4 inches removed for the straps, for the shoulder straps. So 4 inches. Then I'll measure the length. So I will use a length of 33.5 inches with the 4 inches removed upward. I'll measure 33.5 all round, inclusive of the hemming allowance. So you just move your tape in like manner, 33.5. Now I've connected the lower parts like so. So the next thing I'll do now is to cut it out. guys, this is what we have. So just open, I will open this part up. That'll be the sides. So this is what we have. So this is the neckline, while this is the armhole area. And let me show it. Now the next thing I'll do now is to cut the shoulder straps. So guys, for the shoulder straps, I've cut out these pieces. I have 9 inches length by 2 inches. Now I removed 4 inches from the upper part, so I added 1 inch seam allowance. So 9 inches by 2 inches. I have 2 of these for the 2 shoulder straps. Now the first thing we'll do for the sewing, going over to the sewing now, you come to your armhole area, which is right here. Just remove them into 2 like this. Then you go and sew. Just stitch on it in like manner, fold into 2 and stitch like so. We do that for all the 4 parts, which I'll go and do right now. So guys, I've folded in the armhole area like so, the 4 sides of the front and the back. Now the next thing I'll do is to take the straps, fold it in like manner. You fold the edges in and then cover it like so and stitch on it. So that's what I'll go and do to the 2 straps. So guys, I've gotten the straps. I'll just place it on the shoulder area like so. And secure it with pin. And also the second part. I'll also strap it on the other bodies, the back bodies. This is what we have. So guys, after adding the strap, you just take a piece like this to turn in the neckline with the strap. So I just do it this way, sew it and fold it to the wrong side, and you do the same for the other side too. And also the next thing you will do is to sew the sides. Now at this point, if you want to add a pocket, you add it at this point as well. You can check my previous videos on how to add pockets to your bodies. You add it, so, and you stitch on the sides, on both sides. And also folding the hem. And your umbrella dress is ready. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for joining me. If this tutorial has been helpful, kindly give this video a giant thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.